Barnes has a very, very rich history of 100 years, starting in 1907 with Barnes Drill. Now, Barnes Drill made multiple head drill machines that were very, very important for the whole development of manufacturing in America. One of the first major lines it was used on is the Model T, which revolutionized the assembly line and reduced the pricing that the car is built so the common man could buy it. In approximately 1940, we did our first magnetic separator, and that was the beginning of Barnes' filtration side. And then we continued to grow that into larger and larger systems for central systems for different companies. And in the 1970s, we started to have a little bit of a shift because the whole industry was shifting away from honing, but filtration became more and more important part of the business, and we could see that that was the wave of the future.
Barnes International has been in our family, the Golub family, since 1980, and it's a fun story where Dad was an investment banker who didn't know anything about running companies, but knew what he liked and knew that he liked to sell on quality, things that were demonstrably different. And the opportunity came through some different connections that he had about this Rockford-based machine tool company. And I remember coming out with him and looking at the companies, and it was quite exciting because, again, not knowing how to make things. Here we saw machines that were 2 stories tall, world-class engineering, and we had an opportunity to be a part of that. So the company has been with us for a long time, and we've seen it go in lots of different directions, and we've had some amazing memories and experiences.
My name's Steve Herrick. I've been here 28 years here at Barnes. We produce filtration equipment for industry, for grinding applications, and then machining centers type chip applications. It's what's kept us going year after year. People trust us. People come back to us. Our product's American made. There's foreign competitors. But we hold our own against them. And in fact, I've been in other companies with doing road service, and I've seen some of their products, and ours are quality-wise much superior.
My name's John Lisa. I'm a 3rd-generation employee here at Barnes. My grandfather, father, and 2 of my uncles worked here. My one uncle started in 1918. My dad started in 1928. And I've been here 40 years. When I first started, I was a trucker and sweeper. And then I went into machining. I worked in the paint shop off and on over the years. And now that they're not doing so much machining anymore, I'm in the paint shop full time. You get a sense of accomplishment when you get done with a machine and see the paint job is good and ready to go to the customer.
Barnes Filter has the premium quality name in the industry. Our history is something that we leverage and we're very, very proud of. It means quality. It means innovation. We were one of the first folks, to bring in new technology from overseas and introduced a brand new type of filter that is now the standard in the industry. We were the first.
My name is Gail Hobart. I've been with Barnes for 33 years. I started in 1975. I've been in the sales department since October 1981. I am able to work with a number of customers and clients and work with the OEMs as a specialty, and we also do a lot of work with end customers. A lot of changes have happened in the sales market in the last 33 years. In my experience, I have seen a number of customers that have downsized, tried to get leaner, and try to get by with doing less. And the market today is just so tough because there's so much competition, both foreign and domestic. But when you need a quality product, I always tell people to start alphabetically with Barnes.
I'm Nancy Burkett, and I've worked at Barnes International for 27 years. Started out in the Human Resource Department and been there ever since. One thing that has kept me here at Barnes is the company's always been about people. It's been always, you felt like you're part of a family. The company, the management of the company has always tried to look out for the employees. We always, of course, have to remain competitive in the marketplace in Rockford to try to attract good employees. But I think the company's always gone the extra mile, and certainly the employees at Barnes, like I say, it's been a family, like a second family to me all these years.
I see the future as a really, really exciting opportunity for Barnes Filter. Barnes has an amazing name in the marketplace, 100 years strong and still going. It means quality, it means innovation. The future for us is in this growth opportunity that I see as part of this multi-billion-dollar industry called separation. We're going to deepen our offerings. We're going to and broaden out our offerings in this space. Barnes has a unique position in the marketplace today. So I think the future is extremely bright.